Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel named TV. In this video, I will show you some easy and quickly to select word, character, sentence, and paragraph in MS Word. I have some text here and some paragraph. If you want to select any word like this, just double click from your mouse. You can see the word is selected. If I repeat, just click any word and double click. See, the word is selected. Another one, just double click. See, the word is selected. Double click. See, the word is selected. So now, how to select a sentence from here to full stop. So, just hold the control and press your mouse. I am doing just control and click your mouse. See, the whole sentence is selected. If I do another one, for this sentence, just press the control and click your mouse. See, the full sentence is selected. So for example, just hold control and press the mouse. See, this sentence is selected. So now how to select entire paragraph? Just you need to triple click. Just you click 3 times in your mouse, then the entire paragraph will be selected. Just 3 times. You can see the whole paragraph selected. Entire paragraph selected. So, select word, double click mouse on the word. I can do double click in any word. For example, this one, double click. I am doing double click. See, the sentence, the word is selected. Select sentence. Control plus click mouse. Okay. I am pressing control and click mouse. See, the entire sentence is selected. And the last one, select paragraph. Triple click on the paragraph. Okay. I am here doing 3 times click. See, the whole paragraph is selected. I am doing again. Just I am clicking 3 times. You can see the entire paragraph is selected. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Catch the next video. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.